Hello everyone. We're going to start learning the laws of Pesach. Now, on Pesach, it's not only that there's a mitzvah to eat matzah, but also you're not allowed to own hametz on Pesach. You're not allowed to have benefit from hametz. And it's not only eating hametz, like we said, eating, benefiting, and owning hametz. So therefore, right before Pesach, what we do is we clean out the house. We make sure there's no chametz in the house. There's nothing in the no chametz is in the house. We clean the house. But besides that, like some people ask me, okay, let's say I clean up the house and I take the chametz and I put it in the closet and I lock up the closet. So that's it. I'm not going to eat the chametz. But the problem with that is, even though you're not going to eat that chametz, you're not going to come to eat that chametz, but you're still owning that chametz. That chametz still belongs to you, and that is a problem. According to Torah says you're not allowed to own chametz, also, and therefore, the only way to solve that problem is by selling chametz to a non-Jew. So by selling a chametz to a non-Jew. So right before Pesach, we should go to a rabbi, and we tell the rabbi, we make a rabbi as our messenger, that the rabbi should sell the chametz in our behalf, and of course he's going to, we give him all our information, and he's going to write down the information. And we give him permission to sell chametz for us. He's at the end. He's going to a day before Pesach. He's going to take he's going to go to a goy and sell the chametz for us. So this is very, very important for us to remember. Now I know this year it's very difficult because we're not going to shul, and because of quarantine, people don't meet with each other. So there is a solution. There's an option to do through a phone, which means you call the rabbi and tell the rabbi all your information. You say, I would like to sell my chametz in my house, and you give your address, home address, or you give and all other properties that has your chametz. Let's say a person lives in New York, and he has chametz in New Jersey, or he has chametz in California. So he gives all those addresses to a rabbi, and so the rabbi will be able to sell the chametz to a non-Jew. So he'll be able to sell the chametz to a non-Jew in your behalf. Now, but after, so even though the rabbi sold the chametz, let's say I have chametz in my house. So what should we do? We should lock it up in the closet. If you have a room, empty room, you could put it in the room and lock up the room. But let's say if you don't have empty room, where you're going to keep all your chametz, so the other option is to lock it up in the closet, and you put a sticker telling you that it's chametz. We're used to having chametz the whole entire year, so it's very easy for us to forget that it's chametz, and it's very easy for us to come to eat chametz on Pesach. Therefore, we have to make sure to lock it up, to lock up in the closet and put a sign as a reminder for us that it's chametz.